Today we are digging and installing a rain garden. Hooray! We're here at Kent Meridian High School, and this is a really incredible project. These students learned about rain gardens and said, hey, we could do that at our own school. Let's make a difference here. We understand that what goes down the drain doesn't just go away. It goes into our rivers. It goes into the water that we drink and the food that we eat. So the more that we can filter that water, the better off our entire ecosystem is going to be. The essentials of a rain garden is you're digging a hole and you're filling it with compost and sand. However, you have to know about plumbing, you have to know about plants, you got to know about soils, and you have to be paying attention to slopes. I get to do lots of residential rain gardens that a few hundred people might see during the course of a year. Here we're digging a rain garden while the students are on spring break, and next week thousands of students will get to see and interact with this, and they'll take away a greater understanding of the importance of our water system.